How to fix 0x800f0821 error when installing optional features in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Sometimes, installing optional features through the Windows Features menu works when the Settings app fails. Locate the optional feature you want to install and check the box next to it. Click OK and let Windows apply the changes. Restart your computer and check if the installation was successful. If that didn't work, since many optional features rely on Windows Update, running the troubleshooter can help detect and fix any related issues. Fix 3. Reset Windows Update components. Corrupt Windows Update files or services can prevent optional features from installing properly. Resetting update components can fix this. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. This service is required for installing and managing Windows components. If disabled, the 0x800f0821 error may appear.